less than 2 minutes. I kept the original audio, I kept the original timing, and I even kept the bad images. I felt like this was a good example of our rhythm, how I choose the light painting shape based on Kim's pose. Notice how I get totally invisible in all pictures just by being well aligned behind Kim and the light. The 13 images have been processed the same way in Lightroom and none of them have been edited in Photoshop.
Ok, je vais aller voir tout ça. Okay. Wow, la lune.
What really helped me in this series is the fact that Kim knows what to do and I simply have to match her pose with my light painting shape. There is one thing I would have done differently. The background was a bit too dark on some of the pictures, and that's because I was not consistent at leaving more time to grab the colors of the sky at the end of each shot. I should have switched to manual 4-second exposure time instead of sticking to bulb mode. But overall, this represents quite well our way of working near the end of the blue hour using a single tube and a feather.